Everybody, welcome back. Today is going to be, since it's so small, just going to be kind of a double unboxing. Some parts I got from Jack's First Inc. and a mag that I got from Mokas Raifus. Yeah, so these parts from Jack's First are for the MAB Model D. There's some parts that I was missing. Go back and reference my previous video where I unboxed that from Hunter's Lodge. You'll notice it was missing quite a few parts. I'm still working on getting all of those parts. It's been rather painful, to say the least, to try to find those parts. However, Jack's First, they don't just have MAB-D parts. They have a whole bunch of different parts out there for some of your pistols and different things. And I highly recommend them if you're going out to look for some parts that you can't necessarily find at Numrich or Apex or Sarco or some of the other common places. It's another good place to look. But without further ado, let's dive off into it and let's see what these MAB-D parts are. I'll tell you what I got. Let's go ahead and get, well, as you can see right here, this is packing slip. I don't want to get too much into this because it will show show my personal information. I don't feel like showing that. So anyway, what did I order? So I ordered 2 MAB-D firing pin springs, 2 firing pin spring guides, and one of the screws because I didn't have enough screws for the grips. So there's 2 different sizes. There was not a way to select what you got, so I don't know what I'm going to end up with. Spring guides were $16.80 a piece. Firing pin springs themselves were $7.20 a piece. The grip screw was $11. It's an expensive little part, but it is necessary if you're going to put grips back on your MAB Model D. Additionally, they do have grips for the MAB Model D. So let's just take a look and see what we got. The firing pin springs look excellent. The spring guides, once again, look excellent. No rust on them whatsoever, and very cool. I ended up with a long screw, and I believe that's what I needed because I had some of the short screws. A long screw for the grip, or for the grip screw, and it looks awesome. I mean, these parts look phenomenal. Big shout out, big thank you to Jack's First for sending me some very nice MAB Model D parts. No, they didn't sponsor me. Yes, I did buy them myself, but high quality parts. I greatly am, well, I'm greatly pleased with that. Let's just say that. So a while back I saw Clayco in one of his videos. He had a really slick looking Russian slab side mag. I've been wanting one of those for a while. I have some Bakelite, you know, I have some Plum, I have Chinese flatbacks, I've got Romanians, I've got Yugoslavian, you name it. I've got all kinds of different ones. Have any East German though, but anyway, so I was like, man, I'd love to have a slab side. So I got a notification from Mokas saying that they actually had gotten some of those slab sides in. As soon as I clicked, I clicked on it as soon as I got the email, as quickly as possible, and believe it or not, they only had one in stock. That one that they did have in stock was in very good condition. They are not cheap. Or they rated it as very good condition. You know, I noticed some of them had like some electro pencil markings on them for numbers and stuff like that. Maybe some scratches, I don't know. But anyway, you can't find them. So it was $79.99. Like I've always said, guys, if you want stuff like that from Mokas, you need to sign up for in-stock notifications. That's how I found out about this. So let's check out this slab side mag. I'm curious to see what it looks like. And it looks very nice. You can see the triangles down here, the Ishmesh. I know I'm butchering it, guys. You can see it right here on the spine as well. I'll insert some pictures into the video on this, but it says it's in very good shape. It does indeed appear to be in very good shape. A little bit of wear right here on those reinforcing plates, but I don't care. I mean, there's practically no drag marks on the follower. Good strong spring. I mean, I'm pleased with it, but I'll make sure and put some pictures There's all kinds of crazy markings going on here. I'll put some pictures up here in the top left so you guys can see it and kind of flip through them. It looks like it's painted, like it's just a painted over mag rather than parkerizing. I don't know if that was common. Sound off in the comments below. Let me know if you guys know more about these than I do. This is my first time to ever handle one of these, but I wanted one of these. I don't know, I just wanted it. Thought it was cool looking. You know, there's a tiny bit of rust back here on this plate. It's got the lug, but that can be cleaned off with a little bit of steel wool and Vaseline. No big deal. But overall, appears to be in good shape. So no complaints there. Like I said, make sure you sign up for their in-stock notifications if you want to find out about stuff like this, especially if they get any bake lights or they get some more flat backs or, you know, whatever they get in. They're one of the few companies that I've seen that has cool stuff like this on a regular basis. There's not many out there. Mokas is one of them. So anyway, I know this was a really quick, short video. You guys are probably like, oh, thank God he didn't spend 40 years on this. Sorry, I'm long-winded. I can't help it. But, you know, just wanted to show you guys real quick what I got from them. Super happy about that. That's definitely going in the collection. Big shout out to my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel for one, and thank you everyone for all your likes, your shares, your comments, because it's the only way this kind of stuff gets out there on YouTube. Like I've already said previously, people like the Blind Sniper, you know, he's not even a huge channel, guys, and he got a strike against him. It's like, come on. I might be next. I don't know. I hope not. You know, all I like to do is my unboxing, my reviews, my repairs, air quotes, repairs. I do a lot of repairs. It's not like I'm showing you how to make something, YouTube. But anyway, just want to show this to you guys. Make sure you check out check out their information. We'll say that because I can't say too much. But, you know, a place like Mokas has some cool stuff. So check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.